Why?
Nothing. Just good luck.
Jimmy, if we win this Pinoy Henyo, I bring you to Indonesia.
Uy.
Yes.
Me!
Yes.
Yeah. Jimmy,
Yeah, please bring
if
him.
you go to Indonesia, Jimmy.
Don't, no more coming back.
We are happy. We are happy.
No more.
No, you go there.
Okay.
Forever.
You bring him Jakarta. Okay. Are you ready, Uya Kuya?
Yes, I'm ready.
Ready?
Ayun na, meron na.
Meron na. Number 5.
Number 5.
Yeah. Ready? 2 minutes. Go, Uya.
Tahu.
Tidak.
Bagay.
Tidak.
Lugar.
Tidak.
Hayop. Animal, hayop.
Iya.
Pet can be pets.
Iya.
Pwedeng kainin.
Kainin mo.
Sumagot ka na.
Hindi ka pwede kainin yan eh.
Maleke.
No.
Malaki.
No.
Maliit.
Pwede.
Ha?
Pwede.
Maleke.
No.
Wild.
No.
Wild.
No.
It's cute.
Yes.
Insect.
Yes.
Forfeit, 2 feet, forfeit. Ha?
Ba't may forfeit
Jimmy lang
pa?
pala ito.
2 feet. Feet. Have feet.
Size 15.
Hindi naman.
Ha? Hey,
Hey.
have wings.
Yes.
Wings. Can fly.
Yeah.
Bird.
No.
Ha?
No.
Flying cat.
Yes.
Can bite.
No.
Small.
Yes.
Maliit.
Yes.
Small like mosquito. Small like
Yeah. No.
Tagalog.
Yeah. No.
Bahasa.
Yes.
Nyamuk.
Yes.
Nyamuk is bahasa for lamok. Nyamuk. Ang kanilang time, 1 minute 28.42 seconds.
Sila pa?
Hey, you won.
Ha?
You won.
I won.
Yeah.
I don't understand what she say.
You will go to Indonesia. Yes.
Yay!
Everybody happy.
Uya Kuya will bring Jimmy Santos to Indonesia forever. Yay! And he's not coming back to the Philippines. Everybody happy. You made all the Filipino people very happy.
So I know everybody is proud
Yeah.
have of Jimmy.
Yeah, very proud.
Yeah.
Very proud of Jimmy.
Nyamuk.
Okay.
Nyamuk ang
Jackpot round. You know, jackpot. You have 10 words, 5 each.
Amo na matalo.
You,
Ito na. Dito na kayo makukonsume.
you get 3 correct. Jackpot, 50,000 pesos. Okay?
Sa inyo na yung 50.
Category is bagay o benda.
Oh benda ting.
Yeah, benda, thing.
Yes.
Alright?
Okay.
Jimmy, benda? Gusto mo benda ako na yung mukha mo?
Iya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah is yes.
Yes.
Yeah, Jimmy, ikaw una, ha?
Me.
Ha?
Me first.
Yeah.
Oh, you
go
first.
Yeah.
Me
Oh,
first.
Ay hindi pwede.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Ready? 3 minutes for the jackpot. It's a thing. Bagay. Go.
Hewan.
Hindi.
Bagay.
Yeah, oo.
English.
Ha?
English.
Hindi.
Tagalog.
Hindi.
Bahasa.
Oo.
Bahasa.
Oo.
Inside the house.
Oo.
Inside the house.
Oo.
Room. Bedroom.
Ha?
Bedroom.
Hindi.
Kitchen.
Pwede.
Kitchen.
Oo.
Plate.
Ha?
Plate.
Hindi.
Using cooking.
Pwede.
Using cooking.
Pwede.
Using cooking.
Bahasa word.
Ha?
Bahasa word.
Ha?
Bahasa word.
Ha? Oo.
Using cooking, ha?
Ha?
Using cooking.
Oo.
Utensils.
Ha?
Utensils.
Oo.
This is
Ha?
sendok.
Yeah!
yo.
Okay. Hey. In the dining room.
Ha?
In the dining room.
Pwede.
Inside house.
Pwede.
In the bedroom.
Pwede. Pwede.
Circle.
No.
Square.
Yes.
Murah.
Oh, no.
Mahal, expensive.
Maybe.
It's about 400 pesos. 4,000 pesos.
Maybe.
More expensive than
Yes.
electronic.
Yes.
Cell phone.
No.
Big.
Yes.
More bigger than cell phone.
Yes.
Electronic.
Yes.
DVD player.
Pwede.
Televisi.
Yes.
Hah?
Yes.
Indonesia. Bahasa.
No.
Tagalog.
No.
English.
Yes.
Television.
Television. Bahasa televisi.
Yo.
You!
Me. Bagay.
Hah? Ya.
Gamit ng tao.
Hah?
Gamit ng tao.
Hah?
Gamit ng tao.
Hah?
Used by a person.
Hah?
Perform na. Hindi na fair.
Person.
Ya.
Head.
Oh. Puede.
Ang hirap sa'yo. Paspas.
Pass. You.
Okay. Bagay.
Yes.
In the bedroom.
No.
In the kitchen.
Yes.
Yes. Fragile.
Yes.
Square.
No.
For the food.
Yes.
Piring.
Ha?
Piring.
Anong piring?
Plate.
Yes.
Plato. Okay, nakuha ang jackpot.
Eksakto.
Ang total na panalunan nila na babaunin pauwing Indonesia ay 65,000 pesos. Congratulations, Kuya. Thank you.
At eto pa.
Jimmy,
Eto pa.
Hugo.